If you need to treat too many areas, in that case, we generally recommend that you try to split this procedure into 1 or 2 sessions so that multiple areas can be dealt with safely and in more effective manner. Dear friends, I am Dr. B.K. Garg. I am plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in New Delhi and Gurugram at Iconic Clinic. In today's video, I will discuss 5 most important reasons or facts which you must know before going for liposuction procedure. I hope you will find this video useful. First and most important fact which you should know is that liposuction is not a weight loss solution. Liposuction procedure actually involves removal of real fat from your under skin from multiple areas of your body. Because of that, there will be some weight loss happening. But to consider this procedure as a weight loss solution will not be right thing to believe. Why so? Because weight gain can be due to multiple factors or reasons. Since this procedure alone does not change your lifestyle or does not change any of these factors which have been leading to weight gain, so to look at liposuction as a weight loss measure or weight loss solution is not right. So if you are looking for a weight loss and your purpose of doing this procedure is purely weight loss, then do not look at liposuction as a weight loss measure. It's very important to understand before undergoing liposuction procedure. Second fact which you should know before undergoing liposuction procedure is that liposuction results are long lasting. Many of our patients believe that you need to do some special exercises or you need to follow some special diet post liposuction procedure to maintain its benefits. But it's not true. If your weight is stable, then whatever benefit, whatever improvement or whatever inch loss that happened with liposuction procedure will stay and last for many years to come. It is important to note that liposuction procedure actually removes fat from under your skin, and whatever inch loss or contour improvement happened is very long lasting. You just need to keep your weight stable and no special regime of exercise or diet has to be followed. So liposuction results are long lasting. Third fact which all of you should know is that liposuction procedure does not remove loose or hanging skin from any part of body. Because of this, there are no scars in this procedure. If any one of you are having loose or hanging skin on your abdomen or tummy or any other part of your body and you are planning to correct or set it right by liposuction procedure, then please remember that liposuction procedure itself doesn't remove any skin which is loose or doesn't involve any skin tightening procedure as such. Although it's true that minor skin laxness or minor skin looseness can be improved by liposuction procedure, but this procedure in itself doesn't remove any loose or hanging skin. Fourth fact which all of you should know is that too much of fat removal in one go can be dangerous. Please note that liposuction is very safe procedure when performed by a trained and qualified plastic surgeon. But if your request or surgeon attempts to remove too much fat from multiple areas of your body at one go, then this procedure can lead to complications which can be dangerous. So liposuction should not be seen as a solution or a way to remove large amounts of fat from multiple areas of body at one go. If you need to treat too many areas, in that case we generally recommend that you try to split this procedure into 1 or 2 sessions so that multiple areas can be dealt with safely and in more effective manner. Fifth fact which all of you should know before undergoing liposuction procedure is that liposuction is not just done for tummy area. This procedure is suitable for virtually any part of your body to improve contour and to have inch loss. We can safely do this procedure for breast, for the double chin, for arms, thighs, calves, bra rolls, buttocks and back. So virtually any part of your body which has extra fat or fat pockets which are difficult to get rid of or which are awkward can be tackled with liposuction procedure. Further, it's also important to note that liposuction procedure involves very small incisions which hardly lead to any scars. So liposuction procedure allows you to remove fat and have inch loss and better contour in virtually any part of your body. I hope that you found this video useful. If you have any more queries regarding liposuction procedure, please feel free to get in touch with us on phone, email, WhatsApp or on our pages on Instagram, Facebook or YouTube. We'll be very happy to help you. You can also post your comments in our YouTube channel. We'll be able to reply them and reach out to you. Thank you very much.